Oh, I haven't read that book. Okay, let's go to class.
Okay.
Where's your paper? I got it in my closet. Okay. Here's your book. Thank you. Okay, so today we're gonna learn A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, class, to
That
your
was for
seats.
babies. Okay, Mister, that was for babies.
I know, but let's have some fun. To your seats, everyone.
Thank you.
Where's the eraser? Here it is.